Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Today's tutorial is inspired by a Pinterest eye makeup look featuring a beautiful combination of eyeshadow colors with warm tones and shimmery shades. This eye makeup is super easy to do and I will guide you through it step by step. So if you'd like to give this eye makeup a try, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. For the base, I applied the orange eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyelid using a fluffy or blended brush. I blend the eyeshadow with gentle sweeping motions to make sure there are no harsh lines. Then I bring my brush towards the crease and blend the eyeshadow well in this area. I also extend the brush towards the beginning of the eyelid and take your time to blend it, ensuring there are no visible lines. Next, use a small flat brush to apply concealer. I want to perform the cut crease technique, starting from the beginning of my eyelid and following the natural curve of my crease. Continue applying the concealer until the middle of my eyelid. Since my eyes have puffiness, I usually don't extend the concealer above the crease as it doesn't complement the shape of my eyes. Additionally, with practice and repetition, you can improve and discover which techniques work best for the shape of your eyes. Next, I use light shade from this palette and apply it precisely on the area where we performed the cut crease technique. For this eye makeup, you can use the eyeshadow palette of your choice. However, I have provided all the product information in the description section, so feel free to check it there. Next, I use this vibrant dark purple eyeshadow and apply it precisely on the outer corner of my eyelid. I focus on blending the eyeshadow in this area to create a lifted effect. I really love this makeup style, commonly known as doing makeup, which you can explore for various makeup looks on Pinterest. Additionally, I have often shared tutorials on this style on my channel, so if you're interested, you can check out the videos there. It's time for the lower lash line. We will repeat the same eyeshadows exactly. I applied the orange eyeshadow, completely aligning my lower lash line using a small brush. Then I used the same brush to apply the dark purple eyeshadow. I applied it starting from the outer corner of the lower lash line and continue towards the middle. Next, I use this pink shimmery eyeshadow and apply it to the center of my eyelid using my finger. This shimmery eyeshadow really enhances the color combination of the eyeshadows and creates an amazing effect. I highly recommend trying this eye makeup look at least once. Then I complete the eye makeup by using eyeliner. Typically, I extend the eyeliner to the middle of my eyelid because it complements the shape of my eyes. However, the choice of eyeliner style depends on your personal preference and the shape of your eyes. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video until this point. This eye makeup is super easy and beautiful. Just follow along with me step by step. Also, if this tutorial was helpful to you, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Additionally, if you're interested in makeup and beauty content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach blue, feeling every day. All I wanna